Muscle up, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, support, represent. We're about to blow this channel up. I'm at the homie Matt Hunt Muscle Cars shop, and what you're looking at is, what year Bronco, Matt? 69 Bronco that's getting ready for the Battle of the Builders at Sema, and it will also be going to Barrett-Jackson after Sema. But this guy right here is the gentleman who had the Bronco last year that went for $330,000 at Barrett-Jackson, one of the highest selling Broncos ever. And I featured that Bronco on my Big Herc channel, but now he's at it again doing another Bronco, and he's working on a Chevelle. So we're gonna bring in, we're shooting for over $400,000 at Barrett-Jackson this year. Big numbers between two cars. So he's doing some alterations to the car right now. Got a custom roll cage. He's doing some other modifications on the fender here. Yeah, it's already got the lift kit, but he's going to do some dress-up stuff. He's going to do some fender stuff on it, and just have this thing looking immaculate. And he's down to 13 days to make it all happen. But you're not even going to recognize this the next time you guys see it. But this is what it takes to build a top-notch car. And sometimes you got to put the crunch down. If you guys ever been to Sema, you know the quality of cars at Sema. And this man's been going to Sema for over almost 20 years, 30 years. So he knows the game. He's got a hell of a background building everything from 1,500 horsepower Supras to crazy muscle cars. And now we're getting into the Barrett-Jackson stuff. And yeah, this is going to be an overland style, Matt. So you got the roof rack on the top. It's going to have, all this is going to be rhino coated under here, or? All rhino coated. And it's got what size motor?
It's a 5.0, Mustang 5.0, but 995 Mustang.
Mustang 5.0. And what trend you got, an AOD or? AOD. So yeah, man, these Broncos are hot right now, and you know, setting the pace right here for what the market is doing between Broncos, muscle cars. A lot of big things going on, you guys. So make sure you subscribe, support, and watch the progress. We're gonna show you how to turn this car game into a serious hustle and how to get that bread. But if you're a Bronco guy, you want to make sure you follow the channel to see how this build turns out, because it will be at Barrett-Jackson this year. So if you want to bid on a Bronco that is done, that you can drive anywhere and everywhere, then this might be the Bronco for you. Or if you're going to be looking for a supercharged Chevelle with over 600-700 horsepower, then the Green Machine will be ready. So we're doing big things, man, and we're about to show you guys how to turn this car game up to the next level. Me and the homie Matt Hunt, high school buddy. I've known this guy for going on 30 years. 30 years, a long time to over 30, yeah, no, a long time to know somebody. We even whoop some ass together. We put hands on fools together. So we go way back, man. And yeah, when it comes to actually getting down to the mods, he likes to do a lot of the detail himself. But yeah, this is the next level right here. You can see it's got the Fox set up, the springs, shocks. Yeah, man, this is gonna be a stunner. So let me know what you think. If you're a Bronco person, let me know what you would do if this is your Bronco, if you were building it. And like I said, follow us on social media, Matt Hunt Muscle Cars, Muscleup Detail Spray, and go on our journey with us to Barrett-Jackson, Scottsdale 2023. We will be there. 2 cars, and we're gonna bring in some big dollars, man. Big Herc 916. Muscle up. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch.